Alright guys, this is Kazar. Welcome to Racertainment, welcome to the vlog. This is Houston, Texas. We're getting ready to head out for the day. We're going to Justin on Europower. It's a Houston, Texas performance shop. We're gonna see Ted, we're gonna look at some nice cars. We're gonna maybe drive some cars possibly, who knows. But yeah, stay tuned, we got some crazy stuff coming. I got Ricky in the car right now getting the gear set up. And yeah, we'll get ready for the day and we'll see y'all there. What's up, Justin? So we're here at Europower with Justin here in Houston, Texas. Tell us a little bit more about what we do. One of our close friends.
Yeah, we do a little bit of everything, bro. On the pool, we do a little bit of performance, a little bit of maintenance. So, you know, not everybody's trying to go soup their cars up and stuff like that. I completely understand that. So at the same time, we do your basic maintenance, stuff like that. But they offer at the dealership, we offer at a better price. So, you know, when it comes to the performance side, you know, stuff like that, we do that also. SUV packages with the 1200 horsepower GTR.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's a 1200 GTR? Let's check it.
13 actually.
1300 horsepower on the GTR. Oh, that's a law firm too?
Yeah,
that's crazy. Wow, that's what's up. And so y'all do performance, y'all do repairs, maintenance?
So basically, like on our maintenance side, like this Bentley right here.
Oh, wow.
More on like needed front struts or something like that.
So this car needed front struts, needed airbags. Our guy Justin here took care of that as well.
This is actually a 1600 horsepower GTR.
Oh wow, 1600 horsepower. Look at all the carbon fiber. Oh wow. That's insane. So that's cool, man. So next time I need to tune my Beamer, I can come here and boost that power up like crazy. Y'all have a dyno thing here?
Not at our shop, but our new shop, which we're building, we're actually down the street. We're gonna have a dyno.
Down the street.
Whenever we open up, we're gonna have dyno days and stuff like that once a month. $65 dyno pool.
Oh wow.
Like
So dyno pool is $65 a day, and that's gonna be at the new shop, which is gonna open up when again?
It's in May.
It's in May.
Yeah.
So very soon. Cool, man. Well, thanks for having us over. We're gonna take some cool shots.
Yeah, feel free to
we might get some revs and stuff, you know. Let's see whatever we want to do. Yeah, so if y'all need anything, come see our boy here at Justin at Europower. We're on the street of Fondren and West Park Tollway here in Houston, Texas. So let's make it happen, all right? Those are straight race seats, guys. Race seats. Oh my God, that is insane. Wow. So what is going on here? Supercharger, okay. These cars are naturally V8s, right?
Yeah.
Naturally aspirated V8.
I have the actual same car.
I know you do. You have the
supercharger.
Might as well just take that supercharger off since he didn't finish paying. That's freaking sick. Did the drive good?
Yeah. And here's a tire pit.
I'm sure it is.
Tires don't last at all.
Yeah, I mean your stock one already doesn't.
Yeah.
I know it doesn't. Wow, so that's a freaking supercharger, guys. They do supercharger installations on this C63. It's a 12, right?
This one is an 11.
11 C63. Freaking already a beast.
I'm sorry. It's a 9.
Oh, okay, it's a 9. Yeah, already a beast, but with that supercharger, guys.
Yeah, it's a Wise Tech, sorry.
Oh, okay. Wow. All built here. Europower. told me, Justin, what did you say again? You said you go to dealerships and big dealerships like Classic Chevy, Jeff Haas and stuff, they come to you for the repairs?
Yeah, so basically what we do, I'm sales manager here at the job site also.
Sales manager.
So what I'll do is I'll go to dealerships around here and I'll talk to them. Basically they're hiring a vehicle like Mercedes, Porsche, BMW, stuff like that. Instead of them having to send to the dealership do their maintenance and do the repairs,
they do come here.
To us. Yeah, we offer the same type of quality.
Wow, but for less work.
Yes, sir. Almost like a third of the cost. Bro.
Correct.
So we got the dealer scanners, we have everything that they have at their shop. We have it here.
And that's crazy because I used to work at, I used to be a sales manager at Gilman Honda for pre-owned sales, right? And I remember we used to, I hope y'all heard that. That was an RX-7 or something. But I remember when we were a pre-owned sales manager, we didn't used to go to service because they used to charge so much. So that's why we went to like little, you know, places or whatever that had the same kind of quality work, but for less price. So keep that in mind. At Europower, you can do the same thing that your dealership does, except for a lot less. Nice, McLaren on the lift. That's a 570?
Yeah, 570.
570, yeah. So what are we doing on this one?
This one we're doing, it had downpipes already.
So
actually downpipes in tune, but it was fast. It was fast enough.
Wow.
We're doing turbos on it.
So wow, okay, so this thing already had. Wow, so downpipes tune, turbo upgrade, sheesh. So guys, not just, once again, not domestics, not anything like that. They do everything here. Supercars too. Wow.
Edwin's one of the main guys here.
We got our brother working here on the nice 707 horsepower car that's gonna get turned up to how much? 800, 900?
I think this one's gonna be like around 900.
900 horsepower. Wow. So we're gonna hold him up to that. We can't wait for this to get on the dyno. One stop shop here. This is a T-Rex. What is this based off of? Is this original or like what is it?
Yeah, it's original. But there's like a lot of custom molding and stuff like that.
Wow. Holy crap. So this is actually a bike.
Yeah.
Wow. So a boosted motor. This thing is freaking sick. Wow.
Yeah, I believe they originally like a Kawasaki motor, but the guy got the motor and it was the wrong motor, but it didn't work. So that's crazy.
All right, what'd you say?
So built V10.
So we got a built M5 V10, and we're about to go check it out. And check out this M5. This is one of the guys at the shop. Look at this crazy hood. I've never seen a hood like that. Carbon fiber.
Yeah,
wow, that's a painted carbon fiber hood. That is crazy. This is a V10, guys. So these a built V10, so not even a stock V10. I know these are legendary for breaking down and having issues and stuff. No wonder the guy works here. Oh, that's an M5 competition. I didn't even see that one.
We did downpipes too on this one. We actually have a video of my boss man swinging it right here at the intersection.
Oh wow. Yeah, I did. I actually saw it on Instagram, I think. I saw it. Hey, I saw that video. So there's a video of this spinning tires and doing donuts on the gram. This is your boss's?
No, this is one of our customers.
So we got this 2016, 2017 M3, 17 M3. We got some spacers done, and we got some suspension done. We also have, wow, flush. So guys, they don't just do performance, we do suspension. They do, you know, all types of lowering needs too. So make sure your car is sitting flush. That's very important in a performance vehicle. So how happy are you? How satisfied are you with Europower?
Very satisfied.
Very satisfied.
Excellent job.
You have an amazing vehicle. We have amazing owners here. We have amazing sales managers, and we have amazing work. So. around, Justin. Like I said, guys, we just met a happy customer. He's you know, mind's blown with what these guys can do. Such little time, they do it quick, efficient, and it's good quality work. So I appreciate you having us, Justin. And yeah, we'll keep on going.